How to set passcode on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and further, open the conversation that you want to lock. Once opened, tap on the individual's name and you will be led to the chat settings page. Scroll down and you will see the option for lock chat. Go ahead and toggle on the button for lock chat, and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on continue. With this, you will have to use your Face ID to open this chat and read notifications on the device. Also, for added privacy, locked chats are kept separate from other chats. Once the chat is locked, if you go back to your WhatsApp chat section, you will nowhere be able to see the conversation you just locked. So, in order to view the locked chats, tap on the Locked Chats tab on top of your screen and you will further be asked to enter your Face ID or iPhone passcode. So, only after entering your passcode or Face ID, you will be able to view the chat. So this is how you can set passcode on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.